Hey guys, you can heal yourself from self-hurt, self-conflict, self-problems, self-downing, self-depression. You have to be positive in all those areas of your life. You can heal yourself from all those situations and categories that I just described by renewing your mind. When you renew your mind, you renew your heart, your spirit, and your soul. So guys, if you're struggling with anything, start with renewing of your mind. Because when you start thinking positive, you'll start feeling positive. Then you will start attracting those things that will remove those things. Okay? So, all right. Coffee, tea time. So guys, I just want to say a couple of things. He hears us, guys. He hears us. He knows what we're going through. Everything. He said in his word for us to cast our cares on him. Right? What is that? What do y'all think that means? Cast your cares upon him and he will take care of everything. It's just what we do. We tell everybody else about our problems, what we're going through. Woe is me. Oh my God, what am I going to do? Instead of letting that stuff go, alleviate your own mind so you can have peace. He said, cast your cares on me, I'll care for you, and I will take care of you. So you have to think, either you believe that or you don't believe it. Because if you believe it, you're not going to be sharing all that stuff with other people. You are not going to be putting all that doom and gloom on other people. You're going to honestly trust him with everything. Leave it there. Don't go back and get it. Don't be trying to carry all that luggage. Can y'all imagine? Think about it. You're carrying a bag, grocery bags, like not the kind I have. I carry paper bags for the most part. But I'm saying like garbage bags, big ones, 30-gallon bags, like you just walking with, whoo, I can't pay my bills. Oh my God, my kids are driving me crazy. I can't finish school. I owe all this money. And the bags are getting heavier and heavier. At one given point, you're not going to be able to move anymore. It's going to weigh you down so much. You're going to be like this in a fetal position. Like, come on. He said, cast your cares on me and I will do everything else. So guys, either you're going to believe it or you're not. That's just something that was on my heart. I deal with the same thing, guys, but I have to learn that. Every time, if I even think about something I might be going through, I can't, because I start thinking about those bags. So I'm going to give that to y'all. When you start feeling like that, think about all that baggage that you're going to be carrying and how it is going to weigh you down. So you can either step up, give it to him, let it go, or you can carry that baggage. Which one you want? That's all I got for y'all for coffee time. Okay? I will see y'all in the next part of this video. And remember, love yourself. Yeah, you right here. Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. All right? I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, before we get into the video of me showing y'all some things, I just want to take the time out to say my heart really goes out to anybody that watches my channel whose family members were affected by the shooting in Colorado. I didn't really know about this because I really don't watch the news. I told you guys before, I don't like watching the news because I feel like it's sad and certain things they shouldn't put out, but they do. It just makes situations worse, and it makes us sadder. But that was my time knowing about that, seeing it when I was trying to watch a program. But I just wanted to say, I hope and pray. I just hope and pray that God will continue to rest on those families' hearts and minds. So, and it's so funny because I just had this discussion with a friend and my husband. I was letting them know that although I don't mind being in the store, sometimes I don't go to the store all the time like I used to. I used to like shop. I just been feeling so funny these days. First, because of the pandemic, and we shouldn't be around a whole lot of people all the time. And then too, just knowing the fact that people have, some people will allow some of the things that we're going to really affect them mentally, that they will like act out on it like that. And it makes me think like when I'm out. So basically I just try to go to the grocery store. I know I go to the bin sometimes and things like that, but for the most part, I am here. I'm either at work or here, and it just makes you think. But like I said, just wanted to put that out there. If any of you guys' families were affected, I'm truly sorry. And my whole heart really goes out to you guys. I wouldn't know how that feels because I don't know nobody there, but it's just sad that we live in some times like that. But I just wanted to say that, guys. So let's get on into the program. So yeah, guys, happy what? Happy Tuesday. Tuesday, I think it's the 22nd, March 22nd. If it's not, I'm sorry. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the, first let me show y'all how I changed this rug in the bathroom. I did put, remember this rug? I put this rug in the bathroom that was in the kitchen above the sink. I like it. I think it looks really good. What do you think? I think it looks nice. So, that's not why we're here. We are here because I want to show you guys the dresser. So, guys, here is the dresser. I think she's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, like I said, sprayed the handles here, and this is how they are, like so. And that's how she looks right now. I really like it, y'all. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? We have not put anything in her yet because currently she's still a little like sticky, a little bit, just a little bit. There's nothing really coming off on my hands, but she is rather sticky, just a little. But guys, yeah, that's how she looks. Really pretty. I can't wait till it like tones down a little bit and it is not as shiny, because I really don't like that shine like that. But guys, yeah, she's so pretty. So I have to put these things here. The vase is gonna go there. I don't know if this picture is gonna go in there. Sorry guys, it's so light. I don't know if this picture is gonna go in there, but the vase, this here, is gonna go on her. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So the biggest drawer is at the bottom. I think he'll take that one, and then he can take basically these two will be his, and then these two will be mine, because I don't have a lot. I think I told y'all I don't own a lot. I don't really wear TMI, but I don't wear underwear, and the ones that I do have, I'm just gonna be able to put them. I will actually, to be honest with you guys, I'll be able to put them in here. So you see how this has like the spaces. I'll be able to put like my socks here, my underwear, 2 bras, and whatever miscellaneous here, and this one, and then and this one here. And I tried to get the tape out of here, but we couldn't, so I just told him we can just leave it unless we come up with something else to put here, probably a liner or something, I don't know. But right now, as long as it's cleaned out, I put some Autobahn in there, and I put some Autobahn in there, and it's 99% disinfected, so I put that in there, and that's natural, so I do like that. So yeah, these two, this will be my drawer, and then this one will be my drawer, and I'm gonna take this basket here, which only houses my like workout stuff. So that's what I'm saying. I'll be able to put this. I'm gonna get rid of this basket, so it's gonna look so empty in here. And then I think I'm gonna put this diffuser on there, so we'll be able to eliminate some of these things. And then over here is my other basket, like I said, with my socks and stuff. I'm gonna put this basket underneath the dresser, and then this only in here is his socks and stuff. So all this stuff will come out, and yeah, and I'll have a little bit more space. So let me know how y'all like the dresser, and then I'm gonna go ahead outside and show you guys the I'm gonna show you guys everything. Okay, so hold the line, please. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and take these outside because they are good to go. So I'm gonna just share some things with y'all that I did, and oh, I can't do all that at one time. Okay, hold on, y'all, hold on. Share some things with y'all that I did. I can't get out the door, you guys. Okay, there we go. So what I did here, y'all, look, the deck is done. She's absolutely beautiful. So I spray painted this flower pot that was at the old house that was gold and white. If you guys remember, it had my palm tree in it. So I did that. So we're gonna end up putting a plant in there. But guys, look at the deck. Look at the spindles. Everything is together. Everything is done. Don't mind the little spots that you see. It's just from us walking down in the grass and it was a little muddy, but the deck is all the way done. And like I said, I'm gonna put a flower. This is the hold on y'all. This was the thing I was telling you about that was in the garage that I had in the bathroom. So I will be putting that in Patience here and that. So let's just put her here because this is where it's gonna house. We're gonna be getting a grill. The grill will probably go here, and then I'm gonna get 2 more chairs, and the two patio chairs will go. One will go here, and then one will go here, and then I'm gonna put my bins for my plants for my garden. I don't know, they'll probably go here somewhere. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and put our we'll put the chair cover. And guys, I spray paint that over too with the rest of the leftover paint from the drawers. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that here. Y'all, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That is so pretty. Guys, look at this. So just imagine when I get the other chairs. Look at that. That is so pretty. So yeah, guys, I am going to end this video. I'm glad you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I hope I inspired you guys to do some DIYs around your home. And yeah, keep it simple. All right? Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.